It was narrated that Abdullah bin Umar said, "I had a wife whom I loved, but my father hated her. Umar mentioned that to the Prophet and he ordered me to divorce her, so I divorced her." It was narrated from Abu Hurairah that the Messenger of Allah said, "There are three matters in which seriousness is serious and joking is serious: marriage, divorce, and taking back one's wife." It was narrated that Abdullah said, "Divorce according to the Sunnah means divorcing her when she is pure, i.e., not menstruating and without having had intercourse with her during that cycle." It was narrated from Ibn Abbas that a man said, "O Messenger of Allah, I have a wife who does not object if anyone touches her." He said, "Divorce her." He said, "I cannot live without her." He said, "Then keep her." It was narrated from Ayyub, from Al-Hazan, from Abu Hurairah, that the Prophet said, "Women who seek divorce and khul are like the female hypocrites." Al-Hazan said, "I did not hear it from anyone other than Abu Hurairah." It was narrated that Daylami said, "I came to the Messenger of Allah, and I was married to two sisters who I had married during the ignorance period." He said, "When you go back, divorce one of them." It was narrated from Ibn Umar that he divorced his wife when she was menstruating, but the Messenger of Allah told him to take her back and divorce her when she was pure, not menstruating. Narrated Taban, the Prophet said, "If any woman asks her husband for divorce without some strong reason, the odor of paradise will be forbidden to her." Narrated Abu Hurairah, the Prophet said, "There are three things which, whether undertaken seriously or in jest, are treated as serious: marriage, divorce, and taking back a wife after a divorce which is not final." Yunus bin Jubair said that he asked Ibn Umar, "How many times did you pronounce divorce to your wife?" He replied, "Once."